To make the letter P, we teach the children the letter rhyme down the pirate's plat, up over his face. The letter P starts on the grass, and then you go down under the ground, up over the pirate's face. The letter P is not in the sky, unless it's a capital letter P, where you would still use the same letter rhyme, starting in the sky, going down onto the grass, back up over the pirate's face. So this would be the capital letter, and this would be the lowercase letter. To help the children remember the rhyme and to help them remember the formation of the P, take a few paper plates, 3 or so that it's not too bendy, and draw the pirate's face and decorate it a little bit. Punch a hole in there, but not right through, only through the first 2 plates, and tie the knots at the back. The ribbon will then be the pirate's hair. We're going to braid the ribbon into a plait, practicing our fine motor skills. You can also use rope or anything else for the pirate's plait. It would be beneficial if the children do this plait in pairs, so that somebody can hold the pirate's face in order to make it easier for the children to plait the pirate's so-called hair or ribbon hair. You might also want to use 3 different colors of ribbon to make it easier for them to remember which one to use, which piece of ribbon to use next while making the plait. When you finish making the plait, another skill for the children to learn is to tie a ribbon at the bottom of the plait so that the plait doesn't come loose. You can use a ribbon, an elastic band, or you can just ask the children to tie a knot. Try to help them as little as possible in order for them to practice their fine motor skills. If your child is able to make a knot, then ask them to make a knot at the end, at the bottom of the plait, like this. If they still cannot do this skill, you may help them, or you can ask them to use an elastic hairband. A smaller one would be much better than this big one I have here, just to make sure that they know how to do this. This is really tricky if you haven't done this before, especially for children struggling with fine motor skills. You can also use a piece of a ribbon and tie it at the end like this, or you can make a bow also with a piece of extra ribbon. When the children have finished the plait, the hair braid, you can then show them exactly what you mean by down the pirate's plait, up over its face. Down the pirate's plait, up over its face. You also need to remind them that the face sits on the grass and that the plait hangs down under the line into the so-called ground. And this is how you can practice to make